we found another Disney Christmas ornament in the Costco store. We picked this up for about £120, that included VAT. It's one that we've not seen before and we thought would be a nice addition to our Disney Christmas collection. This is the holiday village with lights and music, and there are 13 pieces in here. So this set includes a lighted building, a musical building, lighted tower with clock, lighted tree, figures, lighted fence, and 2 lighted lampposts. And it plays 8 classic Christmas songs. It doesn't tell you what those songs are. The set's in quite a big box, as you can see. It does need quite a few batteries, this, but it does come with 3 3-volt batteries and 1 1.5 volt battery. You do need to add 12 AA batteries yourself. It says it's not a toy and it's for decorative indoor use only. It has a timer built in and it will run for 6 hours once you turn it on, and then it will turn off for 18 hours. So you wouldn't have to remember to switch it off to save the batteries. So let's get this out of the box and have a look at it. This is a really lovely village. It's freestanding pieces. The paintwork's nice and bright, really vibrant, and there's lots of detail on the paintwork as well. You've got Mickey, Minnie and Pluto riding the train. They're decorated front and back, and the pieces all fit together. They just simply slot into each other. You've got Donald, Daisy and Goofy. The bases are glittery and the glitter does rub off, so do be careful. You've got 2 lamp posts. They come with batteries already in and they have switches on the bottom and they will light up. You've got the gates, and again this will light up once we switch it on. The batteries are already fitted in here and there's a switch on the bottom. The tree will light up. The switch is just on the back and you can fit the batteries into the bottom. That takes 3 AA's. You've got the clock tower, which is really sweet. Huey, Louie and Dewey are on there. The clock is a working clock. It does have a battery in there already, and you can just flick it out and press the button in to start it up and set the time. This will also light up, has the switch on the back, and the batteries go in the base. We've got a house here with lots of lovely detail. Again, we can put the batteries in the bottom, and it has a switch just at the back. It's decorated all the way around. And this main piece lights up and plays music. Again, the batteries go into the base. The switch is on the back and you can switch it to just lights or lights and music. So let's get the batteries in there and try them out. All the pieces have batteries in now. I'm going to try them out one at a time, and then I'm going to set up the village somewhere a little bit darker so we can see the lights working properly and play some music. So there we have it, that's the Disney Holiday Village with lights and music. Personally, I think this is well worth the money. I think the lighting's beautiful. The decoration is gorgeous. The paintwork lovely. And I do feel like they're good quality items. There's no volume control on the music, but I feel like it's pitched at just the right level. And you can turn it off if you don't want to listen to it. So this is going to go really nicely with the rest of our Disney ornaments. And we can't wait for Christmas to be putting this back up. We're going to add this to our Disney Christmas playlist, where we do have quite a few of these pieces now. Feel free to check that out. Thanks for watching.